How to keep your Canva account organized using folders. Hey everyone, it's Maria here with Essetino Media, and on this channel, we show you how to create profitable content. All right, so if you're planning to use Canva regularly, even semi regularly, whether it's for social media, business, content creation, whatever you use it for, getting organized from the start is going to save you a ton of time later. And one of the easiest ways to stay organized is by using Canva folders. So today I'm going to show you exactly how to use them. I wasn't using them for a long time. I recently started and it's been a game changer for me. So from the home screen here, on the left, you'll see home and then projects. So click on projects. And then from here, I'm already in the folders tab. You'll see all folders, designs, images, everything. So click on folders. And then here you can actually adjust the way you want to view it. So you can view as a list, which I have here, or you can view as a grid. So that's completely up to you. These are the folders I have here. And then if you want to make a new one, actually, I'll show you here, even uploads. Uploads is a default folder. Anything you upload and create will go into this folder. You can organize it from there, but that's just something that Etsy automatically puts there. If you want to add a new folder, so we'll go up here in the right corner where it says add new. Click on that folder, and then let's call this one social media. So we'll click continue. So now you can see I have social media here. It's got 0 items in it. So let's click on that and see what we see. So right now you can see that there are no designs in this folder. I can add a design here if I'd like to. And what that will do is actually show me or take me to the screen where it's got the projects that I've done. I can move things from other folders into my new folder. I can go to things that have been shared with me and I can put that in there. I can also create a design, which will automatically save to this folder if I did that from this menu. Now from here, I can also create a subfolder. And I know some people get confused by this because the word subfolder isn't anywhere in Canva. But what you do is go into the folder that you make, go to the top corner here, the top right corner where it says add new, and then you would just type or hit folder. And then here we would say, let's say you want to have one for Instagram. Continue. And then let's say you want one for Facebook. Continue. And so these are now my subfolders that are under the social media folder. So if I go back to projects, and now if I click on social media, you'll see that I have 2 more folders here. And then you can create subfolders for your subfolders, so on and so forth. I'll take a second to just say that whether you are a free user or a pro user, you can use unlimited amounts of folders. I know a few years back, free users only could make like 2 or 3 folders. It's unlimited now for everyone since 2024. So definitely a handy tool. Another handy thing you can do is, let's go back to social media here. You can star a folder. And what this does is if it's a folder that you're finding you're using all the time or a couple of folders you're using all the time, if you star it and then you go back to your home screen, you'll see it pinned at the top here. So it'll just automatically pop up here for easier access. I don't personally have anything starred. I don't think it makes a huge difference, but that is an option that you have. Okay, so let's go into a folder I've already created. We'll unstar this and we'll go into a folder I've already created. And you can see here that I've got tons of different designs here that I do some t-shirt designs online. If you wanted to click on the 3 dots beside it, you can see the types of options you have with files and folders. You can open a new tab, you can download it from this menu, you can delete it, you can remove it from this folder but still keep it within Canva. You can also just click on it here and it'll open it up in a tab to do whatever you want with a design. Now, there is also a way for you to get to your folders from within this project interface here. So you can do it from the home screen, but you can also do it within your designs. And that would just be on the left side here. Again, you would just go to projects and everything in here is the same as what you can actually do from the home screen, which is super handy. So you'd click on folders. And then again, from here, you can create a new folder if you decided you want a new one. You can star things. You can add it to whichever folder here, and you can also edit from within here as well. So definitely take the time to play around. There's a lot of things that you can do with folders. I can probably even be using it to a better ability than I'm currently using it. Okay, so that's a quick overview of Canva folders. I hope this helps. They're super simple to use, but they do make a huge difference once you actually start building up your designs. Again, staying organized from the start is going to be a lot less overwhelm down the road. If you've enjoyed this tutorial, let me know in the comments below or by hitting the thumbs up button. That would be greatly appreciated. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.